Recording.
Well, good morning, everybody. Okay, so it's about 7:30 in the morning. What are we going to talk about today? Maybe bike, fitness, muscle memory. How about that? But anyway, explain. Off to work. It's about a 45-minute drive or ride. So, taking the bike, because in about 8, 10, 12 weeks, either before Christmas or just after Christmas, planning on a 5, 7, 10-day ride. So, in the lead up to that, I want to try and knock off at least 2 days a week of 200 k's a day. Just so your whole body, like I'm 56. I don't go to the gym. I would say got a little belly, but not overweight. Don't weigh very much. And not super strong, so need to build up the fitness for the ride. The best way to do that is the ride, in my opinion, because then you you use muscles that you don't. I think it'd be pretty hard to design a custom fitness program, and who wants to do that anyway? Riding's more fun than sitting in a gym. So let's get out on the bike, knock off the K's, feel the pain when you get home, the stiffness, the soreness, because you've got to be able to get up and do it again and again and again and again when you ride away, because there's no excuse. You don't sit in the motel and say, we're not going anywhere, because every morning you get up, get a good breakfast, and then clock off about 300-400 k's to the next motel, and you just keep doing that day after day after day, and man, does your riding improve. But you can't just be a casual rider and then suddenly go, oh, I'm going on a trip, because that'll hurt. So, recommendation is just get out on your bike whenever you can. I'm a bit fortunate. I can ride during the week, I can ride on the weekends. But I am working today, so, and the job's, as I said, 3/4 of an hour out of town. So, what are we? It says it's 15 degrees, but it's probably only 14. So I put a change of clothes. I got a rear bag, a KTM Power Parts rear bag, the 30-litre bag on a EvoTech seat frame. So it bolts to the base of your rear seat. Fortunately, I bought that second hand and I got the base included, so I've got the 790 as well. So I've got 2 complete passenger seats and one just set up with the frame permanently for me bag. Anyway, put cruise control on and do a bit of hip steering. That'll get the calves and everything moving. Alright, that's it. Bye.